Hey guys, today we're gonna be programming this 2013 Nissan Altima using the launch. This one is the X431 V Plus V.4.0, and we're gonna use that to program this key. It's gonna be all keys lost. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started. Using this launch X431 V Plus. So the key doesn't work, as you can see, not doing anything. Let's get started. Let's go to local diagnose. Let's go to Nissan. Let's go find the Nissan real quick. Right here, Nissan. Then press OK. Alright, it's loading. Make sure, let's go ahead, put the hazard lights on. And then let's go to programming coding settings. And then we're gonna put the VIN number. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, I got the VIN number. Press OK. Let's close the door again. Press confirm. Alright, press yes. And let's go to NAT's Nissan anti-theft system. Acknowledge it, it's okay. Then let's go to when programming, register key. All keys will be lost. Let's go press yes. So this one says ignition power off and hazards on. So we got the hazard on already. This was off, so we know that already off. So let's go ahead, make sure the steering not locked. That's good. Press OK. Touch the key, blink 5 seconds till the buzzer, and then it will be recognized. And all right, let's put this key there. Put some light on. Put the key. Hold it until it turn on. That's it. That's good. Press OK. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's go one more time. Go back. Press key. Let's turn it off. Everything is off. Make sure that's off. Then press OK. And then press it once. There you go. Blink. Press OK. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. That's what it says. Let's go NAS stuff. Okay. Go ahead, go when performing key registration. Register key. Press OK. Make sure it's off. Turn it off. Hazard is on. Press OK. Key switch, blink 5 seconds. Touch OK. Touch the I key to switch. Let's press OK first. Then let's go ahead. Press OK, then press manual enter anti-theft. If a mobile is pin, enter. Okay. Under the pin, press OK. Cancel. Let's go though. We have to go to. All right. So we have the NAT system Okay. Let's go when performing key registration. The registered key. Press yes. Make sure power is off. Hazard is on. Press OK. Then press OK. Touch OK. Key switch blink for 5 seconds. Touch I key switch while the key is blinking. Okay. Press OK. See and let's go to network access. So the pin renewed 20 anti-theft password online obtain. Okay, and let's put the key in there. All right, let's do it again. He didn't do it. Without pressing the brake, ignition switch continues 2 more seconds until the power is on. Okay, now we're gonna do is turn on, put the key on the push button switch, hold it, and it will turn on. See that? It turns on. Press OK. Okay. Starting key registration. Say turn off the ignition. Turn it off. Alright. Press OK. Then this one is a press push button once. Contact the key 5 seconds again. Let's go ahead, press it again. Contact it here. Hold it until that thing is on. All right, it turns on. Okay. And then again, you just start the engine. Turn off the ignition. So turn it off. Then okay, one more time. Let's do it again. Break the ignition once. So it's beeping. There you go. And it turns on by itself. See that? Let's go ahead. Said push the button, turn it off. Turn it off. Then okay. Press it again. There you go. It's beeping. See that? Press OK. And that's it. It says 1 registered key. We can just go next. And now we gotta turn off. It says here, press the button ignition to turn it off, but you have to leave the key on there. So press it off. Leave the key there. There you go. It says key registration complete. And that's it, guys. Press OK. Then do it again. I'm just gonna press the key. Let's try it. Press it again. There you go. So you can see it's saying press the brake pedal. That means that's registered. You can just press OK on that one and let's try it. Lock. See that? Lock and unlock. And we can start the car. Press the brake pedal. There you go, guys. It's good to go. It's pretty quick. Turn off the, put the light on again. So that's done, guys. It's pretty easy, and this is a good good tools. This launch x431 V Plus, and I like it. Let me see. Let's turn off the car. I'm gonna show you a quick automatic search. Let's get automatic search. We'll see what's gonna look like here. Confirm. Let's see the health report. I think this one has a problem with the transmission, but I'm just gonna show you an extra. Other than keep programming, this machine is good for it. it tells you what as you can see, there's a transmission fault right there. So this is not just a key programmer, this is a main use for OBD diagnostic. It's really good. For Nissan, it reads a lot of things. You should see it has a judder problem. CV inspection. Let's go enter here real quick. Show you what's special function. Oh, this one need to be programmed. We have to check the transmission. Maybe the CV. This is the CVT. It has a CVT transmission, so we need to check that. But as far as that, for the key programming, this is really good. Let's see what they have. Right, replacement CVT, backup. See that you can write and read here. Learning value, G sensor calibration. Let me go back. Work support, erase memory data. See, I can literally do a lot of stuff here. Actuation test, CVT oil cooler fan circuit. See, it's a lot of, you can monitor a lot of things here. Let's go back. Read fault code. You can read it here and you can code search if you want to. And there will be a fix here. We'll show you how to fix it. See, but you need hotspot or Wi-Fi for this. I don't have a good Wi-Fi, but it will show you a code search here, like through Google. Let's see, I don't have a hotspot, but that's good for key programming. This is a good tool, and let's see if we can erase this one. This cannot be erased because of transmission fault code. Oh no, it's not going to be erased. It needs to be programmed as well, and replace the part and program it. See, it's still there. All right, but anyway, this is a good tool for key programming as well. And thanks for watching. This is for 2013 Nissan Altima. To the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next time.